Crofton.
Hi everyone, I'm Sara and I've just completed my 3 months online internship as a data analyst at UnifiedMentor, and I'm really excited to share my experience with you all. During this journey, I worked on 4 impactful projects that helped me sharpen my skills in data science and analytics using Python, all on Google Colab. My projects were stock market analysis, personalized healthcare recommendation, Instagram fake spammers versus general account detection, and the fourth one was customer satisfaction prediction. Sorry about that. I explored real-time stock data, analyzed trends, and visualized patterns to understand market behaviors. It really helped me learn how data drives smart investment decisions. In the second project, this project was all about building a system that gives health tips based on user data, an amazing application of AI in the health sector. The third one was super fun and practical. I used machine learning to detect whether an account is real or a bot spammer, which is really important for social media safety. The fourth and the last one was I predicted customer satisfaction using AI tools, learning how data can improve using user experience and business strategies. These projects taught me how to clean, analyze, and model data efficiently, and also how to present insights clearly. I got my confidence with machine learning, EDA, and working with real world data sets. Overall, it was a great hands on experience that helped me grow both technically and professionally. A big thank you to the Unified Mentor team for the support and guidance throughout. I'm excited to keep learning and growing in the field of data science. Thank you for watching.